Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Roslan.
And hi, I'm Anis Akilah binti On.
We want to share about the widespread distribution of microplastic in subsurface seawater in the Southeast Asia region. For the introduction, basically microplastic is a small plastic that cannot be seen by naked eyes, and the size is under 5 millimeters according to the Amin et al. 2020 and Zhu et al. 2018. There are two sources of microplastic. First, primary microplastic that originate from manufactured items of microscopic size such as exfoliating facial scrub, toothpaste, and anti-fouling of both. Second is secondary microplastic that fragments released from larger plastic debris through photooxidation, mechanical action, and biodegradation. So NET is the country that contribute to this issue. So according to the Aja and Al-Qayyim 2014, Malaysia generates a whopping 0.5 to 1.9 kg per day of municipal solid waste, with plastic being the highest of the total municipal solid waste composition, which is 24%. And according to the National Solid Waste Management Department 2011, Malaysia has been highlighted as the top plastic producer among other ASEAN countries. But according to the Zhu et al. 2018, China is the largest plastic producer and consumer in the world. And also, China is the largest source of mismanaged plastic litter that can enter the environment.
Next is how microplastic distribute into the ocean. Microplastic in the ocean can come from the human, such as plastic litter, washing of the synthetic clothes from the laundry wastewater or domestic wastewater. The plastic will be ingested by the aquatic organisms such as fish, and the microplastic will be accumulated in their tissue. Microplastics such as nets also can cause suffocation of aquatic organisms such as sea lions.
Okay, next is effect of microplastic towards the aquatic life. Microplastic damage marine organisms including fish, phytoplankton, zooplankton, bivalve invertebrates as well as turtles and seabirds. And according to the Amin et al. 2020, microplastic give adverse effect towards the aquatic organisms such as reduced feeding and energy reserve, nutritional deprivation, incorporation of microplastic into body tissue, and physical damage to the digestive tract. And according to the Zhu et al. 2018, microplastic not only can cause physical harm to marine organisms by contact, uptake, and ingestion, but also provide the marine organism with a potential pathway for exposure to organic pollutants, metal, and pathogen absorbed from the ambient environment or to chemical leached by themselves. Okay, next is effect of microplastic toward humans. According to Zhu et al. 2018, microplastic may also pose risk to human health because they may be transferred through the food chain. And according to the Auta et al. 2017, microplastic can cause many adverse effects such as cancer, impact reproductive activity, decreased immune response, and malformation in humans.
Next is how to prevent microplastic in the ocean. First one is education through public, private and government sectors to provide the awareness of microplastic to the human community. And the second one is United Nations Environmental Programme, which is UNEP, to set up educational measures to create awareness to decrease plastic use and encourage recycling. They also will develop guidelines for assessing marine litter, including microplastic. The third one is the group of experts on the scientific aspect of marine environmental protection to adopting the reduce, reuse, recycle, circular economy, which is 3R. And the fourth one is California Microbead Ban, AB 888 in 2015, which this act banning all types of plastic microbeads products and encourage companies to use natural alternatives such as sea salt. The second way to prevent the microplastic in the ocean is by using microorganisms. Staphylococcus species, Pseudomonas species, and Bacillus species known to degrade microplastic polymers in a process called biodegradation. They will produce biofilm which help to improve the degradation of polyester. They can apply to sewage wastewater treatment as this could limit inputs from the domestic users. The second one is Pseudomonas putida, Streptomyces species, and Pseudomonas tutzeri. These species will also produce extracellular polymer degrading enzyme that are able to degrade polymers such as PVC. As for the conclusion, plastic pollution is a serious concern, and if the right steps are not taken, the situation will deteriorate with time. Increasing awareness, proper dumping of waste, using recyclable alternatives to plastic can dealing with these rising problems. And this is our reference to make this slide. That's all from us. Thank you.